I don't even know how to put it in words. I started off thinking I will run 21 kilometers. Then I thought, let me not keep any target in mind. Let me just run as much as possible, because I really don't know whether, my max kilometers I could run. The last time I ran 15 kilometers, I felt that itself was little too much for me. So pushing it by another 6 kilometers, I thought would not be possible. But last 1 week I didn't run, so my legs were fresh, non-fatigued. But when you don't run, what happens is your body doesn't get free for a run. You find it little difficult compared to when you run every day. Last month I just ran 45 kilometers the entire month, which is very bad. I normally run 100 kilometers per month. So 45, not even 45, I think 43. So that was a bad month with all the kind of trainings and all. So in place, I could not run. So when I started, 21 was in mind. When I was close to 4 to 5 kilometers, I thought 10 kilometers might be easy, and 15 might be the one that I would be doing max today. And when I was close to 8 kilometers, I thought even 10 is going to be difficult. 10 or 11 or 12 would be the max that I would be doing. So plan was to run, initial plan was to run 11 kilometers and then run back. So the total would be 22 with 1k buffer. But when I was close to 8, I thought no, it's not going to happen. Let me not put myself in a place wherein I would have to call a cab and come back home. So at 9 kilometers I stopped, I turned back, and then I thought, let me just do 15 or 16 kilometers and go back home. At 16, when it was 16 kilometers into the run, I told myself it's just 5k, and non-stop running was getting difficult, but body was still fine. So I thought, let me just give it a try. Run, walk, run should do. That's it. But when I was into the 19th and 20th kilometer, it was getting difficult. For every half a kilometer, I was just slowing down and all. But it's 20. I'm done with 25 kilometers. I'm walking back home another kilometer, and I feel absolutely fine. I might have a headache because there was a lot of dehydration. I was sweating a lot, and I didn't carry any water. I just carried 2 chocolates with me because I didn't know it's a uncharted territory for me. 15 was what I normally run, so 21 was new to me. So I thought, let me carry 2 chocolates. I had one is still in my pocket. I'll have it now. A celebration time. New Year, early morning, 21 kilometer for the first time, 21k run, half marathon. Feeling very happy, and I should say I'm feeling very proud about myself. Everybody partied hard, I ran harder. This is my 40th year. I would be turning 40 next year, and it's time to prove a point. Many more to come. First half marathon run in life at the age of 40.